Jenna. So this is our view today. We're having a day at sea, and although we are at sea, there is land. That's a little island in the Mediterranean Sea that you can see over there on the horizon. And we are headed to, or towards Naples, Italy. I don't know if you can see how beautiful the color of the water is right here from our balcony. Anyway, so we are headed towards Naples in Italy, and Maya's jumping between the beds in our room. Anyway, let's see here if I can, maybe, I don't know, you may or may not be able to see anything behind me. So, cruise has been good, the food has been good. They have a specialist on the boat that deals with special diet and allergy requests, that kind of thing. They actually have one assigned, Maya's waving. They have one assigned to each dining room, main dining room. There's 2 on this boat. And they bring you the menu for the next night, the night before, and you get to kind of pick and choose what you want, and they can tell you how they can make whatever. Dessert has always been a surprise, but it's always been good. We had like a pound cake with fruit the first night, and just making sure she's okay. We had like a chocolate pound cake the second night, and then they did like kind of an avocado chocolate mousse. At least that's what I'm pretty sure they made it out of. Then night 4 we had poached pears with lemon sorbet. Last night they had cherries jubilee with lemon sorbet, which was amazing. So, and tonight I have no idea. The next couple nights are going to be a surprise. So tonight we're getting veggie sushi. What else did we order? I don't even remember now. Probably pasta and something else, but the food's been good. So dinner is always fun to look forward to. They don't really have any desserts or anything other than fresh fruit during the day, which is fine. They have a pretty good salad bar, so I've been trying to gravitate towards that for lunch. Breakfast, they always have hummus and pitas, olives, vegetarian baked beans, and they have the French bread, which we can have. And they do like grilled tomato, and there's a bunch of stuff. So food's been good. Travel's been fun. We've been off the boat twice now. One in Palma, Mallorca, and one in Barcelona. In Palma, Mallorca, we did go to the aquarium. You got to keep in mind that my family is only half vegan, which is pretty much me. I'm like the only one in the family. So they voted to go to aquarium, we go to aquarium. It was nice. It was not the best and biggest we've been to, but I mean, like, it was a nice trip. Maya very much enjoyed it. I think her favorite part was seeing the seahorses, which I really wish that she could experience these things without having to go to places like that. But, you know, I don't know. It's hard. It's hard being the only one in the family that has this stuff going on, and you know, you gotta just make the best choices for your family that you can. So anyways, but it was a fun trip. We got to see some sights, and that was awesome, some buildings and whatnot. And hi Maya, do you want to see? There's Maya jumping up and down on her bed. Anyway, so that was good. And then Barcelona, Spain was awesome. We got to tour and see some really old cathedrals, and that was really cool. So we've got a day at sea today. She's been doing the kids club, which has been really fun. Every night for the last couple nights, she's gone for an hour or 2, and otherwise she spends the day with us, and we go around and do some fun things. We've been doing a lot of walking. I've been getting in my steps. I've been averaging like 14 to 15,000 steps a day, which is nice. So yeah, feeling great and loving it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. There goes Maya. everybody. So we are in Naples, Italy today, and probably not gonna actually get off the boat. We've done Italy, and my husband has been here before, but we didn't have any shore excursions, so we figured, you gotta walk like 5-10 miles before you get to anything. So, you know, Maya's been taking advantage of the kids club, and we've just been kind of chilling out. But I thought I'd give you a little view of the city. Maya took up the deck chair. Check it out. Are you lounging? You gonna say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Aww. Arcade, Maya's favorite spot. We got Crown of the Ship, these really cool water slides that go into the pool area, and then we're gonna walk over the other half of the deck, and I'll show you the other side of the ship. So actually, here's where one water slide comes out. There's 3 on board, and I'm gonna just take a quick gander up here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. I don't know. Can you see into the basin? Maybe not. Anyways, this yellow one goes all the way around, and it twists into the basin. Woo, going down the stairs. It twists into that huge basin. So basically, you ride on like an inner tube. And it goes all the way around into the basin, and it goes, swirls you around, and then you come out over here where that orange is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, anyways. Thank you. Ooh, is that an orange? Yeah. I got the daiquiri. Maya got something special. Bye-bye, ship. for it. What'd you get?
Fruit.
Fruit salad. And then we found a place that had vegan sandwiches. It's got tomato and zucchini and eggplant and olive oil. And then I got the salad. Got all kinds of stuff. And it came with oil and vinegar. Pretty cool. Say hi.
Hi. Yes,
You want to show them this? What'd you get? Isn't that cool? It's like a little optical illusion kit.
We're moving.
Yeah, can you see now? Huh? Is that pretty cool? Pout. Where's my smile? Where's my smile? You look so tired.
No, it don't.
No, you don't. Let's see this cool tattoo you got yesterday. Pretty neat. You like it? Yeah.
I like my other one too.
Yeah. Hey, look. They're playing.